Two lovely chicks are cuddled together and hungry as ever in this Tailor bird's nest. I'm keeping record an eye on them. They were featherless and pinkish brown in color. Now they are dark. They're still blind. They have this membrane on their eyes, but the skin has become dark, and there is some evidence, as you can see, of some feathers. So here you go, both of them has beautiful feathers. It's very windy here, and I think they will show us how. It's beautiful, beautiful. You can see it's very windy. And I should not disturb them more, but look at them. They're very beautiful. The eyes are still covered, and they're getting stronger and bigger. As you can see, both of them are well nourished, and I thought one was weaker than the other and may perish, but I think their parents have fed them well and they look very healthy. And look at them, it's very windy. I'm just trying my best to get a clear image, and I won't disturb them more, but leave their parents to feed them. I'm really fortunate for them to have me document their, how beautiful it is, document their childhood, and it is a strong wind. I'm afraid, I think it looks as if the nest will fall, but hopefully